Hello, welcome to session 2 of Romeo and Juliet. Session 2 meaning, I guess, week 2 of Romeo and Juliet. Today is October 26, 2020. Whoops. So for this week, and you should have saw this in the Friday announcement, but if you did not, I would get out your planner or make sure that you mark what time you are meeting me in your small groups. So this is what Wednesday groups look like. You'll notice the times on the left. Hopefully you find your name on the right. If you do not see your name on the right, that means that you are a Thursday person. So what I would like you to do is, if you haven't already, pause the screen, find your name, and make sure you write that down. Again, if you are a new student and you do not see your name anywhere, I apologize. I got a lot of new students last week, so I tried remembering who was who and adding them to the list. So we have Wednesday and we have our Thursday groups. This is what the week looks like. Monday, if you're watching this video now, you should have already met with me live this morning on Google Meet link at 8:50 a.m. Really quickly, for those of you who are new, if you go to materials and you click up here where it says Google Meet class link, you will be able to find our class link. It is the link that we always meet on for small groups and for large group sessions. As you see, Tuesday is an asynchronous day, so you should be working through the Tuesday folder and any material that's in there on Schoology. And then if you have questions, I will be waiting live on the Google Meet link, and you can just drop in and ask for help. Wednesday and Thursday, we have our small group meetings. So I won't be available because I'll be busy the entire block period with small groups on Wednesday and Thursday. However, when you're not working with your small group on Wednesday or Thursday, it means you should be working through whatever material I assigned in the folder on Wednesday, Thursday. And then Friday's asynchronous. It's a day where you can drop in and ask me for help. Again, I'm going to repeat myself. I know I said this in the Friday announcement, but many of you are not going through the folders carefully. Many of you are going over here looking at upcoming assignments. So you need to go through materials, Romeo and Juliet, Unit 3. We're in Session 2. And here are the folders. You go through each folder very carefully. And as you'll see, like I said, on Wednesday and Thursday, you meet in your small group, and I give instructions on what's going to happen that day. And then you're reading Act 3 those 2 days. I don't care if you listen or read only half of it on Wednesday and the other half on Thursday. You manage your time how you see fit. But it's really important, you guys, that you're going through these folders carefully. All right. Okay. What the assignments look like. If you have a planner, I gave you a pacing schedule. Remember, you're always welcome to work ahead. I never penalize you for working ahead. I tried to design this class so that you guys rarely have homework on the weekends. I don't like giving you homework on the weekend. You guys have family and friends. I want you to spend that time with them. And honestly, in a virtual online learning setting, if you're managing your time correctly, you should be able to get most of your work done during the weekdays instead of on the weekend. So I give you the pacing of the things you should complete on each day, right? You don't have a lot of, there's not a lot of assignments this week. We have one assignment here, which is a discussion board. And you have a lot of reading to do, actually, because we're reading 2 acts, Act 2 and Act 3 this week. And then you have your small group discussions, which you just have to look at the material beforehand so you're prepared. And then you have 2 quizzes on Friday. So make sure you manage your time wisely, that you get all of the reading done before Friday so you can spend your 2-hour block period working on the 2 quizzes. It should not take you 2 hours. Act 2 is just a multiple choice quiz. Act 3 is a discussion board quiz. It's where you're actually going to watch a short 10-minute video. You're going to think about everything that's happened in Romeo and Juliet, and you're going to post a discussion. Act 2 quiz is due the same day. Act 3 quiz, you actually don't have to turn in till next Monday because you read the instructions carefully. So I guess I shouldn't say you don't have any homework. You kind of do, unless you check back in later Friday afternoon, which is what I would do, because you have to reply to one student. because it's a discussion board quiz. So if I were you, I would complete it in the morning and then log in back Friday afternoon and reply to a student, and then you're done. Otherwise, you could just do it over the weekend. It's really up to you. You choose how you want to spend your time. So for new students, I always have this pacing calendar. Again, it's exactly what's in each folder, right? So if you were to spend, our block period just working on what I've given you in each folder, you should be able to walk away every weekend feeling pretty free. All right, welcome to session 2. Good luck. Now you're going to complete this discussion here after this video. It shouldn't take you very long. And then you're going to read Act 2, scenes 1 through 3. As you can see, I split Act 2 between 2 days. Bye, you guys.